Hey guys, I wanted to talk about a company that's been on an absolute tear this year that one of my members brought to my attention, Fizzy Fish. My man, hope your weekend's going well. So this company is called Root, ticker symbol ROOT. This is in the InsurTech space. This reminds me of Lemonade, guys. You guys know I recommended this one all year long, okay? And it's gone on a nice run. Root has gone up even more. It's up 600% over the last year, so it's had a run like a lot of these stocks out there, guys. But this one is still very cheap, believe it or not, and they just became profitable. Their numbers have been improving a lot, and their combined ratio, it's called, it's like rivaling Progressive right now, which a combined ratio right now is when they combine their total claim costs, okay, plus, what's the other thing? So claim costs plus expenses, okay, divided by the premiums earned, and they have a ratio of 91, a little over 91%. That's similar to what Progressive is doing. And obviously Progressive stock has been a long-term winner, guys. A really good company there. A lot of big money's in that name. So if you want a cheaper, under-the-radar option, this one could be one that continues to grow, especially with interest rate cuts happening right now. That's helping out. You know, in 2023, they had a tough time, but now their numbers are drastically improving, and that's part of the reason for this bounce back. But let me share some of the stuff I wrote down with this company. So they're a top auto insurer, okay? They use tech and data science. So again, it's in the InsurTech space. And this is a very volatile stock, just so you know. It has a beta of 3.5. This is even more volatile than Upstart stock, for example. Okay, so just know that if you're holding this, it's going to swing wildly, and it's one you just want to stash away in your long-term portfolio with a small position, you know, and see what happens down the road. That's how I'd play it. But this only, even after this run, guys, it only has a $1.15 billion market cap. So it's still considered small cap, guys, which I like. And again, this hasn't gotten a lot of attention. Again, it didn't even come across my radar until one of my members brought it up. Again, thank you for that. But that's the thing. A lot of these great companies can slide through the cracks because, remember, the analyst coverage is only on the popular ones, right? It's usually the big cap or the mid cap companies. That's why right now it's small caps. If you can get in before, right, analyst coverage starts coming in heavily, that's, you know, you can make some good money. And obviously this one, if anyone bought this stock, Root, let me know in the comments below because you're sitting pretty right now, okay? But this has a forward price to earnings ratio, guys, of only 4.47. Before this rally, it was actually in the ones, just showing how that's insane, okay? And now with their showing net income now, profitability, all their metrics are improving, guys. This one's exciting. Even though it's up a lot, I think it can go up more. But again, try to get in on a dip if you can, obviously, with the volatility. Price to sales of only 1.55. And their last earnings, guys, I just want to read this to you so you see what they did. Last earnings, their net income, the net income of $22.8 million. And again, it was negative before that. They had EPS of 1.35 or $1.35 per share versus 98 cents expected, or 0.98 expected. So that's a huge beat. Net premiums of 279 million, okay? And this was growth of 180% year over year, okay? And then through the first 3 quarters of this year, premiums were 771 million. That's a 244% increase, guys. So this growth is amazing, okay? So this is a company, of course, do more research on it, but this is a small cap that could continue to shine here, and that's one I'll be looking to add to my long-term portfolio. I'm going to start with a small position, and I'll try to add on dips. But especially in December, I can see this rally, risk on rally continuing where we could possibly still make some money with this stock.